If you are living in Canada, I believe tax-free saving account, TFSA accounts are the most powerful tools that you can use to build your wealth. And that is also completely income tax-free. But the real problem, I believe, is that either most of the people, they do not know how to use this account in a smarter way, or if they know, they just keep their money sitting idle in this account, and that does not generate any wealth or revenue. So in this video, I'm going to share everything that you need to know about TFSA accounts in 2026, the rules, the contribution limits, and some mistakes that you should avoid in order to build your wealth over the period of time. And then I'm going to pull out my phone and will show you how you can open your first tax-free saving account within just 5 minutes, followed by my TFSA holdings and the strategy that I use to invest in this account. So if you are interested, let's start this video very quickly. Now, if you do not know anything about tax-free saving accounts, don't worry. Let me make it very much easier for you. TFSA stands for tax-free saving account. It is the government scheme by Canadian government. The way it works is that, let's say if you invest $100 in the tax-free saving account today, after a year, this $100 becomes $200. And if you want to withdraw that money because you earn some profit, when you withdraw that money, your capital gain is again $100, right? Because you invested $100. When you withdraw it from the tax-free saving account, the magic over here is that the government does not charge a single dollar. The government does not take single dollar of income tax from this growth. That means all of this $200 is totally yours. It's very simple to understand. So I hope the funda of the TFS account is clear. Then the second question is that how to open this account. So if you are a temporary resident or a permanent resident or a citizen, and if you have a valid SIN number, you can open this account across Canada anywhere where there is a financial institute. For example, if you go to a bank, ask them to open a TFS account for you. They will do it within just 5 minutes. The second popular way is to open this account through the private financial institutes like Questtrade or Wealthsimple. These are the popular trading companies that allows you to buy stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, GICs in Canada. Now, if you go to a bank and ask them to open a TFSA account, and if you are planning to buy some GICs, the fixed deposit in TFSA account, that is totally free. You do not need to pay any money to open this account. But the real game this bank plays is that if you want to open a TFSA account where you want to do the trading, where you want to buy some stocks or ETFs, you will have to buy the trading account of that company, and from where you can open your TFSA account. The problem is that these trading accounts have some monthly maintenance fee in the range of $10 to $15 a month. And that is too much. We do not want to pay any single dollars on such fees for our day-to-day tradings or buying mutual fund or ETF, because there are some efficient, effective, and the easier ways are available throughout of the Canada. But my problem is that, first, I do not want to go to a bank and have an appointment and waste my days. Second, I do not want to pay any monthly maintenance fee on my trading account. And that's why my most favorite platform is Wealthsimple. I use Wealthsimple for almost everything. Rather than keeping my checking account where I keep my ideal money that generates 1.75% of the interest rate, unlike the bank that gives me $0. Second, I pay no monthly maintenance fee in buying ETFs, stocks, or anything that I want to buy on the trading account. In the next segment of the video, I'm going to show you how you can open your TFS account within just 5 minutes. And if you want to open that account through Wealthsimple, do not hesitate to open that account through the link into the description box. The reason is that if you open any investment account in Canada through Wealthsimple, Wealthsimple will give you free $25 to me and you both as well. The condition is that you will have to deposit at least $100 in these accounts within the first 30 days when you sign up for this account. From my experience of using Wealthsimple from the last 3 or more years, I would bet you that it is the most easiest, it is the most trustable investment and trading account that I have found across Canada. I do not pay any single dollar on the monthly maintenance fee. So before you open the TFS account, let's quickly have a look on the contribution limit, because there is some restriction in terms of the investment in this account. But I am sure that none of us, whoever is watching this video, will be out of this contribution limit. TFSA account was introduced by the Canadian government in the year of 2009. Let's assume that you were 18 years old, because in order to invest in TFSA account, you need to be at least 18 years old. As of today in 2026, after 17 years, let's assume that you have not contributed a single dollar in TFSA account, or you never had a TFSA account. So if you open a TFSA account today, the limit will be more than $100,000. The reason is that every year, the contribution limit in TFS accounts was different. For example, for 2026, for this year itself, the total limit for the contribution is around $7,000. That means, let's say if you have capped out all your maximum investment in TFSA in 2025. And if you want to invest more in this year, you cannot invest more than $7,000. And if you invest, there is some kind of penalties. Now let's open the Wealthsimple account very much quickly. If you want the Wealthsimple referral link, you can go to any of my videos, go into the description, find the Wealthsimple and just click on the link. Here, once you fill the form, once you fill your necessary information, you will have your Wealthsimple account open within just a minute, and where you can see this home screen. Currently, you are seeing my home screen, but since it will be a new account, you will have almost obviously $0. In order to open any investment account in Canada, Wealthsimple allows you to do this within just fraction of a second. You just need to click on the plus sign that you see over here, click on open a new account, and here you see all the accounts that Wealthsimple support. Here we are looking for the TFSA account that you can see over here. Click on TFSA where it shows TFSA benefit, TFSA contribution limit for this year. You can carry forward your unused room for this year. Let's say if you do not invest $7,000 in this year, and this $7,000 limit will be carried forward to the next year. At the same time, you can also invest into the US stocks too. You can invest into the Canadian stock too. So this is ultimate start point of any investment journey. Just click on the get started, and here you can get different kinds of TFSA account. The first saving account is the TFSA account itself, but here you can just invest into the GICs and other stuff. The other options are build your own portfolio, where you do not need to use your mind. You just need to pay some money to the Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple will buy TFSA portfolio for you and they will charge some money from you. Here I want to do trading by myself. I want to buy stocks as per my understandings, as per my knowledge, and that's why I want to open a free account. Over here, just click over there, and within some seconds, if you've agreed to these forms and if you click over here confirm, the TFSA account will be ready within just 1 second, and here it is. It's very simple to open. Now on the screen, you can see my investment planning about all the investment account across Canada, whether RRSP, TFS and everything. Before we start, let me quickly make you understand what is my investment strategy. So let's say if I'm making $100 in the last month, I'm investing $15 into India and the rest $85 in Canada. And these $85 are get bifurcated in these segments. So 40% goes to RRSP, another RRSP, another RRSP, and RRSP. Total, I think I'm investing how much? I'm investing 75% of that 85% into RRSP, so that at the end of the year, I do not need to struggle about maximizing my RRSP, because I like to get the big chunk of tax refund at the end of every financial year. And the rest 25% is I invest into RRSP. 5% is fixed, goes to the XRE. It is one of the REITs. If you do not know about REITs, since I am renting out and at the same time I want to take the benefit of the real estate growth, I'm investing into REITs. Right now I'm investing in REITs called XRE. I am not a fan of that, but it is not bad too. That means since I'm not buying a house, I can still take benefit of the real estate growth. And the rest 20% goes into the stocks right away. The reason is that I want to do my own research. I want to buy my own stock based on my research, and I want to see how much my portfolio can grow as compared to I invest into the ETFs or mutual funds or whatever. But I want to check my own knowledge too. And that's the reason I'm investing 20% of that 85% that goes into Canada. Now here you can see the desktop version of my Wealthsimple account, so that it becomes easier for me to explore the portfolio that I'm going through. So I have rigorously started investing in TFSA account, if you see on the graph, from 31st of January 2024. That means I'm investing rigorously in this account from the last 2 years or more than 2 years. Now, as you already know, I mainly invest into the stocks and I use TFSA account for that. And there is no particular reason, but I want to do the trading. I want to do the holding for a longer term, and I do not want to pay any kind of income tax on whatever growth has happened in my account. That's why I'm using TFSA account. As I mentioned earlier, I mainly invest into the REITs that I showed you, XRE ETF, that I mainly invest into the REITs ETF that invest on behalf of me into the real estate. And on top of that, I'm mainly into the stock. My whole TFSA account is full of stocks. Now, do not try to copy these stocks. Do not try to buy these stocks, because although some of my stocks are doing good, there are some bad players too. So on an average, my highest stocks that have made profit is around 54% at the same time. One of my stocks is negative 56%. I'm not afraid. I'm not like my emotions does not get hurt when I see this, because I know that I'm trying to implement my knowledge, whatever I am learning to buy stocks, and I'm doing it for a longer term. So seeing these values in red does not affect me at all, because I'm never going to solve these stocks until these stocks shows some positive results. And also, I do not invest tons of money. If you see over here, the maximum I have invested into Nvidia. The reason is that I believe Nvidia is still available at a cheaper rate, and that's why I have invested around $1,200. At the same time, the another stock that is very popular, and they are leading company into generating the microchips, that's the SanDisk, and that's why I have invested around $1,100. Recently, this stock has gone through a big time correction. That's why you are seeing minus 35%, but I'm holding it for the next 10-15 years. So this is all about my portfolio, about TFSA. So I hope I could show my honesty while sharing my portfolio with you. This is all real. This is all the real-time portfolio that you are seeing. And now I believe it is your turn to start your investment journey. So this was all about my personal setup, about the TFSA account and the strategies that I use to grow my future wealth. And if you are ready to start your investment journey, if you are ready to open your TFSA account, make sure you open the account through the link in the description box, and you can sign up in the Wealthsimple account, where if you lower $100 within the first 30 days, me and you both will get $25 as a referral bonus. That's totally free. And if you do so, I would like to hear more from you. Make sure you comment in the comment box which stock are you planning to buy as soon as you open your Wealthsimple account. I read all of my comments, and I will definitely reply you if you have some concern. With this, I'm wrapping up this video. If you think that I have helped you to enhance your financial knowledge at least by a bit, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video and share it to your friends who are starting their investing journey too. This will really motivate me to make similar videos in the future. Until I see you in the next video, you earn more, invest more, repeat the strategy, and keep earning. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.